Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this big week of Coffee with Craig. We'll be in Romania Wednesday, Thursday for the SCE Awards, the 18th annual Europa Property SCE Awards. Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Good. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and let's hear the headlines for the day.
Yeah, okay, we'll start in Warsaw today, and MIPIMWorld 2 office building has been sold for around 45 million euros. And then we move to Vienna, and Immo Finance has also sold an office building to an Austrian investor. And then back to Poland, and Trade Real Estate has opened 2 more Vendo parks in Poland.
Well, so a lot going on. Yeah, good. So a lot happening this week. We have our SCE Real Estate Awards on Thursday. So if you're not signed up yet, sign up right away. Record number of nominations, lots of great projects coming online, and really a good international group joining us. It's a good way also to kick off the Easter weekend with award
ceremony, yeah.
ceremony and
Something extra to celebrate at Easter.
Exactly. So come in Wednesday, Thursday, and you can be out by Friday for the long Easter weekend. Having said that, we'll take a little break. We'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 18th Annual Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards, taking place April 6th at the Radisson Blue Hotel in Bucharest, Romania. If you've not yet booked your tickets, corporate table, or sponsorship, now is the best time to do it. We have over 200 of the most active commercial real estate professionals attending, with over 40% of them flying in for the event. Then in the evening, we kick off the awards with opening cocktails and 5-star dinner and awards ceremony, then late night networking and celebration. So welcome back, and Winston, great to see you.
All right, Craig.
We'll be filming the next tomorrow morning's news in Romania.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. Yeah,
New location.
Yeah.
So MIPIMWorld 2, which is the second office building by Echo Investment in the multifunctional project in Warsaw, has been acquired by the Czech investor CRE Real Estate Fund, and the project is fully leased to tenants such as CEE and Networks, and has been awarded a BREEAM environmental certificate with the excellent rating, and it was sold for around 45 million euros. So it's a good result for Echo Investment there, I think, and an international investor seeing the attraction of the Polish market, and another very good project, which is a multifunctional project. And Judita Savica, she's the head of investment at Echo Investment. She says that the transaction is another proof of the great interest of both investors and tenants in multifunctional, sustainable destination projects consisting of both residential and offices combined. And Thomas Chica, CEO of CRE Real Estate Fund, he adds, MIPIMWorld 2, thanks to its ecological solutions and very good list of tenants, is an excellent investment product with a guarantee of stable income for a long-term investor. So a lot of happy parties there.
Yeah, really excellent. So is that all we have for today?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, great.
Is that enough for you?
No, I never get enough.
That's just the first one. Just the first one.
The first one.
Wow. Yeah. So brace yourself.
Sounded so great.
Brace yourself for a couple more.
All right.
And staying in the office investment market, and Immo Finance have sold an office building in Vienna of 9,000 square meters. This is the Bureau AM Belgrade building, and they've sold that to an Austrian investor. And according to Radka Doring, she's the executive chairwoman of Immo Finance. After successful sales totaling roughly 166 million euros last year, the current transaction in Vienna is another step in implementing our portfolio strategy. The sale also proves that there is strong demand for our properties in the current environment. That is why we are making very good progress with our portfolio optimization and the stronger focus on retail properties.
Well, Vienna, everyone likes Vienna. Yeah.
Vienna, beautiful place. Yeah.
Great place for investors.
And finally, for today, in the retail market, and Trade Real Estate has opened another 2 retail parks in its Vendo Park brand, which
Mhm.
it's pushing out throughout Poland. The properties are located in Zambrów, which is in Polacki, and the other is in Krakow. And the investment volume around of these two properties is almost 16.5 million euros. And the two retail parks have a combined lettable area of 11,000 square meters. And it brings Trey's Vendo Park portfolio up to 34 retail parks in Poland now.
Mhm.
So it's a pretty much a recognizable brand, which you'll see throughout the country.
Sure.
And according to Pepin Mosius, he's the CEO of Trey Real Estate. In line with our strategy, we will continue to expand into promising towns like Zambrów and Krakow, and we'll open another 5 Vendo parks in Poland before the end of 2023.
And they seem to do pretty well on the exit of in Slovakia and Czech Republic.
Yeah, and this is following up that
Last few
news that they
days.
recently had, and yeah, they're focusing on the Polish market, and not just in retail parks. They're also pushing out the PRS
Right.
residential here as well.
Right. Another very profitable and exciting sector.
Yeah, it's definitely a growing one.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for all watching this Tuesday morning's Coffee with Craig, and stay safe. And we will see you in Bucharest tomorrow morning for the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.